tonight we're going to do a Dutch oven campfire bread. It's basically a bread in a flat bottom pot. So let's see how that goes. How much flour?
3 1/4 cup.
3 1/4 cup. 1 packet of yeast.
As you pour in the warm water, use your hands to mix the liquid into the dry ink. Okay, timing.
10-minute need.
3 minutes to go. You've only done 3 minutes.
Couldn't have.
Okay, I'll come. Is it hurting your back? And leave it to rise for an hour.
So there's the ball. We finished kneading it. I'm going to put it in this pot here, and it's going to rise. Hopefully, we're going to leave it for an hour. Right, so the bread's going to go in a pot. Now it's risen up. Fills the whole pot. It's going to go in the Dutch oven, the flat bottom pot over there. Says I've got to score it a couple of times. I'll score 10. Right, so there's my pot. Coals on top, coals on the side. It's in the brazier, courtesy of Zambia, my daughter in Zambia. Right, I'm just about to pop the lid on our bread. Oh, what does that look like? How's that for bread? That looks really good.
Eat your heart out.
Right, there's our bread. Right, so tonight we're going to make old-fashioned onion rings, not the funny mush-mash stir-fry stuff you get at restaurants these days. Proper onion rings. Right, I'm going to cut this onion to slices. Flour, which is 1 teaspoon. Have to dip this in here until they're all coated. Either side. Like a lovely egg. 1 cup. Drip off.
No, then your head is gone, but now we're seeing that.
Right, how's those for onion rings?
Your head, but you can see them cooking.
Can you see my head now? Hello. Getting down to it.
Eat your heart out, Gavin.
Radio, onion rings are done. Right, so tonight I'm going to be doing bread and butter pudding in the flat bottom pot.
It's good for you.
Right, a quarter cup of cream. There we go. Okay, so the cream and the milk, I'm heating it up. Mustn't boil. That's a peacock. Right, there it is in the pot, soaking up for half an hour it says, and then I've got to cook it for 45 minutes. Okay, the bread and butter pudding is on the fire in the brazier. Right, bread and butter pudding, it's pretty, you can't smell it, it's really smelling good. Right, so I'm going to be turning boring old vanilla flavoured ice cream into a Cassata kind of ice cream. Recipe courtesy of my mother-in-law, so it's crunchy, bar one, supposed to be peppermint crisp, but I couldn't find peppermint crisp, I got peppermint chocolate and peanut snack. Break them all up, put them into the ice cream. In that bowl, I'm going to break the. Right, put that in here. And then we mix all of this up. Stick it back in the freezer. Right, so this is where I'm going to be doing my cooking tonight. Little log cabin on a dam. Right, so here we have beef olives. It's basically mincemeat with beef wrapped around it. And some rice. Right, so we're making a 2-ingredient naan bread with no yeast. So I need self-raising flour.
1 3/4 yogurt.
1 cup of plain yogurt. Plain yogurt.
And divide into
Right, so here they are, trying to cook. Right, I'm just about to turn them over. Right, so there we have naan bread, yogurt, flour, and a couple of spices.